Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered about the mysteries of the red planet Mars? Mars, our intriguing and enigmatic neighbor hovering in the celestial sphere, has been a source of human fascination for ages. Its allure has spanned centuries, reaching back to the time when our ancestors first turned their gazes upward. In the annals of human history, Mars was initially perceived as nothing more than a wandering star. Ancient civilizations, lacking the tools and understanding we possess today, could only marvel at its peculiar red glow. They saw it traverse the sky, tracing a path that seemed to dance with the stars, and they wondered, how they wondered. This wandering star held its place in the night sky, silent and mysterious, sparking curiosity and igniting the flames of inquiry. Mars, a seemingly ordinary celestial body, has since transformed into an extraordinary beacon for exploration. Little did our ancestors know this wandering star would become a focal point of our space exploration efforts. Fast forward to the mid-20th century, a time when our curiosity transformed into a scientific pursuit. It was in the year 1965 when our cosmic neighbor Mars began to reveal its secrets. The spacecraft Mariner 4, a product of human ingenuity and relentless will, successfully executed the first flyby of Mars. This was a momentous occasion, marking the first time Mars had been observed up close. Mariner 4's 22 images, though grainy and black and white, gave us our first real look at another planet, changing our perspective of the universe forever. But we didn't stop there. The Viking missions, launched in the mid-70s, were the next big step in our journey to unravel the mysteries of the red planet. Viking 1 and 2 consisted of both an orbiter and a lander, allowing us to study Mars from the sky and the ground. These missions provided us with the first detailed images of Mars's surface, showing us a world of vast plains, towering volcanoes, and grand canyons. They also searched for signs of life, a question that still captivates us to this day. Then came the Pathfinder mission in the late 90s. This was a groundbreaking mission, as it landed the first successful rover, Sojourner, on Mars. Named after the 19th century abolitionist Sojourner Truth, this little rover was a true pathfinder. It was the first to roam the Martian surface, collecting valuable data and laying the groundwork for future rover missions. These stepping stones, from the first successful flyby by Mariner 4 to the landing of Sojourner, have been instrumental in our understanding of Mars. Each mission has built upon the last, providing us with a more detailed and nuanced understanding of our cosmic neighbor. We've come a long way since Mariner 4's first grainy images, but there's still so much more to learn. These missions not only expanded our knowledge about Mars, but also paved the way for more ambitious endeavors. We continue to push the boundaries of what's possible, driven by our relentless curiosity and the desire to answer the age-old question, are we alone in the universe? The dawn of the 21st century brought a new era of Mars exploration. The red planet, a stone's throw away in cosmic terms, has captivated our imaginations and scientific curiosity for centuries. Today, we stand on the precipice of a new age, one where Mars is not just a distant celestial object, but a destination. Our current missions to Mars are spearheaded by a diverse group of international space agencies, all pushing the boundaries of what we know about our planetary neighbor. NASA's Perseverance rover, for example, is actively exploring the Jezero crater, a location scientists believe was once home to an ancient Martian lake. Perseverance is not just taking pretty pictures, it's hunting for signs of ancient microbial life, collecting soil and rock samples that may one day return to Earth. Accompanying Perseverance is the Ingenuity helicopter, a marvel of modern engineering. Ingenuity's flights, though brief, are monumental, marking the first powered flight on another planet. These flights are testing the viability of aerial exploration in Mars's thin atmosphere, a potential game-changer for future missions. Beyond the United States, the United Arab Emirates has launched its first interplanetary mission, the Hope Probe. This mission aims to provide a complete picture of Mars's climate throughout the Martian year. The data collected will not only deepen our understanding of Martian weather patterns, but also help us understand how Mars went from a warm and wet world to the cold desert it is today. China, too, has joined the Martian Exploration Club with Tianwen-1, a mission that includes an orbiter, lander, and rover. This ambitious mission is studying both the surface and the atmosphere of Mars, contributing to a global effort to understand this complex and intriguing world. These missions are helping us understand Mars like never before, but they are just the beginning. As we continue to explore and discover, we inch closer to the day when the first human footprints will mark the Martian dust. And who knows, maybe one day, we'll call Mars our second home. So, what does the future hold for our exploration of Mars? Well, the horizon seems to be ablaze with plans that are as ambitious as they are awe-inspiring. The next chapter in our odyssey to the Red Planet is set to be written by none other than NASA, with a goal to send humans to Mars in the 2030s. This isn't a mere field trip, but an endeavor that might eventually pave the way for humans to live and work on Mars, expanding our species' presence beyond Earth. But NASA isn't the only player in this game. Private companies, too, are gearing up to leave their footprints on Martian soil. SpaceX, led by Elon Musk, has its sights set on not just visiting Mars, but establishing a sustainable human colony. Their ambitious Starship project aims to make life multiplanetary, a notion that was once the stuff of science fiction, but is steadily inching towards reality. This isn't just about setting up a few habitats and planting a flag. It's about creating a self-sustaining civilization, a place where humans can live, work, and thrive. It's about taking that giant leap for mankind that Neil Armstrong talked about and turning it into a marathon. One thing is certain, the Red Planet continues to beckon us, promising a future of discovery and exploration. So we've journeyed through the history and into the future of Mars exploration. We've traced the footsteps of early explorers and marveled at the relentless pursuit of knowledge that drives our current missions. We've peeked into the future, at the visionaries who dare to imagine humanity's next chapter on the Red Planet. As we stand on the cusp of a new era, Mars continues to inspire us, reminding us of the infinite possibilities that lie beyond our own planet. Please like and subscribe for more.